Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Intuit Data Protect for QBO recovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start the backup process for Intuit Data Protect, open your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. Select the Billing and Subscription tab on the left-hand side. Look under the Intuit Data Protect section for the option to manage your backup settings. Click on Manage Backup to access the backup configuration. You will see your current backup schedule and options available. To change your backup settings, click on Edit. Choose the frequency of backups that suits your needs, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Make sure to set a time of day for the backup to occur, ideally during off-peak hours. Review the backup files and ensure they align with your data protection goals. When satisfied with the settings, click on Save Changes to apply your backup preferences. Now, to initiate a manual backup, return to the Intuit Data Protect section. Select the option to Run Backup Now to start the process immediately. A confirmation message may appear, assuring you that the backup is in progress. Once the backup completes, check for a notification confirming success. If you encounter any issues during the backup process, consult the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Lastly, it's good practice to periodically review your backup settings and files. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure you're always protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.